Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle, but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store with a wide range of items and competitive prices. You can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profits. So first of all, we have your Google Play and we have your Temu Buy as a millionaire. We have your offer than $100 million and we have your install. And just click over it and you will start with Temu. If you have other options, you'll just open the web browser and dive into Temu.com. As you can see, this is the homepage. We have here our first things. So to make money on Temu by reselling products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store, simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable venture. So you can just tell people once you start with Temu by clicking on my link and you will get $100. Then you will earn your commission also. So if you want to be an affiliate, program you'll have to do is scroll down and click over affiliate and influencer earn commission. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have the affiliate influencer program. Earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. Earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Try now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So you click over here to get started, and then we have other information like high commissions here, exclusive selling price, trusted brand. And if we scroll down, we have empowering affiliates. Tell our benefits for every profile. We have authorized influencers and we have websites here. As a user authorized through our platform, enjoy a range of benefits including we have 20% commissions here, generous commission rates on orders, abundant credits, access a world of credits for additional perks. Then we have user download bonuses, receive rewards for every user download. About websites, we have as a registered website affiliates enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. High commission rates, benefits from generous commission rates on orders. Then we have tailored benefits here, adjustable commissions that match your performance. We have here over than 300,000 people have joined us, and if we scroll down, also we have here activities which reach rewards for all affiliates. We have here affiliate extra rewards and we have referral extra rewards. About this one, we have they win here, $10,000 bonus here, and per week earn $3,000 bonus referral raise. About referral extra rewards, we have here $100 coupon bundle. New app users can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial download. Then we have your free gifts. New app users maximize your affiliate potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. Then we have the last things we have it's how to start with the Temu affiliate program. We have the first thing it's join. Unless in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have share here. Strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have the last step, which is earn. Achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. So right now I will show you how you can use TikTok, Pinterest, Temu, Instagram, and YouTube to share your links. For the first one, we have TikTok. To earn money on Temu or TikTok, you can just start by creating a catchy videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxing, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with TikTok, and let's move on to the next one, which is Pinterest. So to earn money on Temu or Pinterest, you can just create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include a affiliate link in the pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion. Regularly update your posts with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your link and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. And then we have here Reddit. So that's it for Pinterest, and let's move on to Reddit. So to earn money on Temu, Draw, Reddit, you can just join relevant subreddits where you can share products, recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items, and include your affiliate link. Following subreddit rules, engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have Instagram and YouTube. So to earn money on Temu or Instagram and YouTube, you can just start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products. So the first one we have here, Instagram. So you can just post a catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. But on YouTube, you can just create unboxing videos, review, or tutorials, placing your affiliate link in the video description. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu. By creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links, you can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. So I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business tips, tutorials, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead. So you can use TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, YouTube to get started with Temu affiliate program.